Hello students, welcome to IAE. In this video, we are going to discuss a numerical on power electronics. Let's see the numerical. It states that in the circuit of adjacent figure, the diode connects the AC source to a pure inductance. So this is the AC source and this is the pure inductance. And the diode conducts for 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree or 360 degree. That we have to answer. Okay. So first of all, what we can do, we can draw the input AC voltage waveform. Then we will draw the current waveform. From there, we will decide what will be the conduction angle for the diode. Okay. So this is our input voltage, right? And we can write it as VI, and this is equal to omega t, and this is the zero crossing point. This is pi, and this is 2 pi, this is 3 pi, and so on, right? Now from this circuit diagram, we have to find out how much time the diode will conduct. So let us draw the waveform for I0, but before that, let us mark the zero crossing points. Okay, so these are the 3 zero crossing points. Now, we know that the AC voltage input is equal to VI Vm sin omega t, right? And the inductance, voltage across the inductance will be VO, that will be equal to L DIO dt. Now, in one of the video, I have already discussed the behavior of the pure inductance to the AC source. If you do not have watched that video, I will highly recommend you, prior to watching this video, kindly do watch that video. I have in depth discussed what will be the waveform for the current and what will be the equation for the current, right? So the equation we will get there equal to Vm divided by the impedance. The impedance is equal to omega L 1 minus cos omega t, right? This is the expression for the current we get in case of pure inductance when connected to the AC source. So from here, if we draw the current waveform, that will be IO equal to 0 when omega t equal to 0, right? So the current waveform will start from here, and we know when omega t equal to pi, what will be the current? It will be 2 Vm by pi, 2 Vm by omega L, because cos omega t, if we put pi, then it will be minus 1. So it will be minus 1, 1 minus of minus 1, that is equal to 2. So we will get 2 Vm by omega L, right? Then again, if we take omega t equal to 2 pi, then we will get again cos omega t equal to 1. So we will get IO equal to 0. So the waveform or the output current will be this one. So we know that in case of pure inductance, when it is connected to the AC source, it will conduct for the entire cycle. So you can remember this point, that the diode conducts for the entire cycle. Okay, I have discussed this thing, and also I have the plan to make more videos, the conceptual videos on power electronics. So it will be better if you subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon, so that whenever the new videos will be uploaded, you will get the notification. Okay, so we see here that the diode conducts for the entire cycle. So the answer obviously will be 360 degree. So the right answer will be 360 degree. Hopefully you have enjoyed the concept, and thank you for watching the video.